Okay, so this question gives us another linear system, and it wants us to solve it using Cramer's rule. So remember what Cramer's rule says, which given this system, it says that we can find the analytic solution to the system just using certain determinants. And they all stem from this determinant D, which is just the determinant of the matrix for the coefficients on the left-hand side. So we just copy down the numbers in front of the variables into our determinant. Two, negative 1, 1 for the first equation. 1, negative 2, negative 1.